At Audi, the chronology of light is not only a story of improving sight, but of igniting ideas and innovation, of breaking old habits into pieces to create space for the new. It's a story of a luminous power, of energy efficiency, of making light adaptive, dynamic, and even three-dimensional. And thanks to visionary engineering, foresight is a crucial part of our DNA. The roads of tomorrow will be illuminated in high resolution by a brilliant Audi technology that even communicates with its surroundings. Introducing the Digital Matrix Light.